Cake Wallet is a cryptocurrency wallet designed with a strong focus on privacy, particularly for privacy-focused cryptocurrencies like Monero, while also supporting several other digital assets. It promises users greater control over their crypto and improved privacy. But the real question is it actually private? Now, to be fair, Cake Wallet has earned a positive reputation in the crypto community for being non-custodial and open source. However, no crypto wallet can guarantee complete anonymity. What it does well: non-custodial design. You control your private keys, meaning you, not the company, have custody of your crypto. Strong support for privacy coins. It offers excellent support for Monero and other supported cryptocurrencies. Where the hype falls apart: a wallet alone doesn't make you anonymous. Your overall privacy depends on how you acquire, send, and use cryptocurrency, not just the wallet you choose. Blockchain transactions can still be analyzed. For transparent blockchains like Bitcoin, transaction history remains publicly visible even when using a privacy-focused wallet. You are responsible for security. If you lose your recovery phrase or get stolen, you could permanently lose access to your funds. So, should you use Cake Wallet? Short answer: yes, if you want a non-custodial wallet with strong privacy features. If you're looking for an easy-to-use wallet that gives you control over your crypto, Cake Wallet is a solid choice. But don't assume installing it alone makes all of your cryptocurrency activity anonymous. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.